Okay, so I'm going to be cleaning this hallway, and there's noticeable traffic patterns, a lot of wear and tear. This is bedroom number 3. You can see all the stains going that way. Then I'm going to clean this bedroom over here, number 4. You can see the dirt. Okay, I'm getting ready to scrub the carpet, what I call it. I don't use brushes, just bonnets like that one to pre-scrub it. Okay, so now here, this is after the steam cleaning process. You can still see the traffic, the wear and tear right there. In this room, you can see wear and tear in this area. That's a lot of wear and tear, so still needs one more step. Here, yeah, this here still looks really bad on the phone, but to the eye it doesn't look so bad. So maybe the angle, yeah, see, it looks lighter. Anyway, and that's the shade right there from the door. Like if you close this door, no, there's no door. Anyway, and this is gonna definitely need a lot more work still. I don't like it.
And you did a great job.
Thank you.
It's certainly, this is amazing to me, because that was awful.
Right there, see on the phone it still looks sort of dark, but to the eye it looks pretty good.
Yeah, that's really all that matters. That's a great improvement, and it makes me very happy, so thank you.
You're welcome. Is this the room that had all the spots?
Yep.
It is? Okay, because I don't even remember.
Yep.
And then
this is the one that had all the spots. And
that
it was
one.
a mess.
And this one here just had that area where where the mat was.
Yeah.
So, and same thing, but yeah.
There's no such thing as perfection. Although we try.
Yeah,
right?
we do try, but you're right.
I'm very happy.
So we have you were saying earlier that you were thinking of maybe replacing the carpet.
No, I was saying eventually we'll have to.
Eventually. But now, do you think you would even think about
No,
it?
I won't need to.
See?
I will not need to now.
Yeah,
For a while.
exactly. Like I said before, I think if you go, you can go another 10 years just maintaining it regularly, and you don't have to replace the carpet.
Usually
Some
you
weird
would
stains.
do it yearly or every other year.
Clean it
Yeah.
every like year and a half maximum.
Okay.
Yeah, about a year and a half.
All right.
But it depends, you know. I have
Yeah. Of course,
clients
a lot
that
depends on.
do it every month because they have kids. Have the husband doesn't. He wears his shoes in the house with from construction.
Oh yeah.